Shalom everyone, welcome back to another video of Hebreways. Today we're going to do 50 words in Hebrew, 50 foods. Okay, and we'll see different categories, as you can see actually right here in the picture. I'm going to start right away with the first category, which is perot, fruits. Probably my favorite is this category, perot. Perot is fruits. The first word we'll see is tapuach. Tapuach is apple. Apple is tapuach. Great. Banana. Banana, banana. Easy. Banana, banana. Tapuz. Tapuz is orange. Tapuz, orange. It's similar to apple. People mix a lot tapuach, apple, and tapuz, orange. Great. Number 4, limon. That's an easy one. Limon is lemon. We say limon. Next up is toot. Toot is strawberry. Toot, strawberry. Very easy. Toot. Okay. Next up, number 6, anavim. Anavim is grapes. Anavim, grapes. Great. Avatiach. Avatiach is watermelon. Avatiach, watermelon. That's a bit hard to pronounce. It has the ch sound there. Avatiach. Avatiach. This takes some time, but that's good. Okay, number 8, afarsek. Afarsek is peach. A lot of people tell me it's their favorite fruit. Afarsek, peach. Okay, number 9, agas. Agas is a pear. Agas. Agas, pear. Next up is ananas. Ananas is pineapple. Ananas, pineapple. I know it's the same in French, but they say ananas, so that's really interesting. Some languages are similar. Ananas, pineapple. That was the first category, perot. Now we can move into yerakot. I like yerakot, but prefer perot. Let's see the first veggie. Batzal. Batzal is an onion. Batzal, onion. Batzal. Batzal. Next one we got melafefon. Melafefon. Cucumber, melafefon. Technically a fruit, I know, but melafefon is a cucumber. Same here. Agvania. Agvania. Tomato. Agvania. Agvania. Tomato. That's great. Next up, tapuach adama. We saw tapuach was an apple, the first word we saw today. Tapuach. And tapuach adama is potato. Adama means earth, ground, soil. So tapuach adama is like apple of the earth. Again, it's like French where they say pomme de terre. Tapuach adama. Great. Gezer. Gezer, carrot. Gezer, carrot. That's easy. Ani ohev gezer. I love carrot. Gezer. That's good. 16. Pilpel. Pilpel is pepper or bell pepper. Pilpel. Now some people also say gamba, but if there's one of them, let's pick the one that's similar to English. Pilpel is good. Pilpel is bell pepper. Pilpel. That's it. Next up is chasa. I like chasa. Chasa is lettuce. Chasa. Chasa. Good. So far, this is great. 18 is shum. Shum is garlic. Shum. Shum, garlic. And 19, tiras. Tiras is corn. Tiras is corn. And last vegetable, kishu. Kishu is zucchini. Zucchini, we say usually kishu. Kishu. Good. That was amazing so far. Let's continue. This time is meat and fish. Meat is basar, meat, and fish is dag or dagim, plural in general. Basar v'dagim, meat and fish. First off, let's see off. Off is chicken. Off, chicken. It's like on and off. Literally, chicken is off. That's it. Let's see the next one. Bakar. That's beef. Specifically beef, we say bakar. It's similar to the word meat, which is basar. Beef is bakar. Turkey is hodu, or sometimes people say tarnegol hodu. Usually people just say hodu for turkey, so I just kept it like this and it's simple and easy. So we had of, bakar, and now we have hodu. Next one is dag. That's just dag. We saw it in the title. Dag is fish. Let's see this one. This is specific, but why not? Ktitzot. Ktitzot is usually how people say meatballs. Also, people say kadurei basar, but this is one word, ktitzot. Meatballs. Ktitzot. Yeah, it's a funny word. Ktitzot, meatballs. Next one, steak. That's easy. Steak is steak. Steak. Easy. Now, specifically, if I want to say chicken breast, is chazeh of. We said of is chicken, chicken meat. Chazeh is like the chest area. The chazeh of is like chicken breast, basically. Chazeh of. Nice. Okay, a few more. Basar tachun is ground meat. Basar tachun, ground meat or ground beef. Oftentimes it refers at the supermarket. People go and buy basar tachun. Nice. Next one, not kosher. I'm joking. Chazir. Chazir is pig or pork. Both the animal and like the meat. Chazir, pig, pork. Nice, that's great. There's also one, I messed up the numbers, but this is salmon, or salmon is salmon. That's really easy. So far, this is amazing. Let's take a look at this one. Vegetarian food is like dairy and so on. This one we can start with halav. Halav is milk. Halav, milk. Great. Let's see the next one. Gvina. Gvina is cheese. Gvina, cheese. Beitzim. Beitzim is eggs. Eggs is beitzim. One egg we say beitza, and plural we say beitzim. Eggs. Ooh, this is a good one. Dvash. Dvash is honey. We said tapuach, the first word we saw today. Tapuach is apple. Dvash is a honey. On Rosh Hashanah, on the Jewish New Year's, we eat tapuach b'dvash, apple in honey. Dvash. Next one, chem'ah. Chem'ah is butter. Chem'ah. Great. Shamenet, this is specific. Shamenet is cream. Okay? For example, we said gvina was cheese. If I say gvinat shamenet is cream cheese. Okay, so shamenet is cream. Next one, we got yogurt. Yogurt is yogurt. Yogurt, yogurt. Same thing. Yogurt. Okay. Oof. Cottage. Cottage, we say the same. Cottage, cheese, we say cottage. Easy. Okay. Gvina, we know gvina is cheese, but in Israel, a lot of people just say gvina tseuba. Gvina tseuba is like yellow cheese. The cheese people put on toast, grilled cheese, whatever. This is gvina tseuba, usually people say. Nice. And this I don't really like. Gvina levana. This is very popular in Israel. You just see a lot of people say gvina levana. It's like white cheese. It's like a curd, basically. That's what I've seen the closest English word for that. Gvina levana is like white cheese. Great. Now let's move on to our last group, which is wheat and grains. Chita udganim. Okay, let's see this one. First of all, flour in Hebrew, that's kemach. Kemach. That's it, two sounds. Kemach. Next one we got is orez. Oh, I like orez. And it sounds a little bit like rice, at least like the Spanish version where they say arroz, and then here it's orez, rice. Great. Next one we got uga. Uga is a cake. Uga. Uga is cake. Next one, ugiya. Now it stems from uga. Cookie in Hebrew is ugiya. So we had uga. Now we're having ugiya. Okay, we got a few more. That's it. Pasta is pasta. Nothing to get confused about. Pasta. Couscous. Ani ohev couscous. Couscous is couscous. Okay, same thing. Lentils. Oh, that's adashim. Lentils, we say adashim. Adashim. Lentils. Adashim. And we got shuit, that's beans. So if someone says, for example, rice and beans, we say orez. You can say orez ve shuit or orez im shuit, rice with beans. Orez im shuit, rice with beans. Shuit is beans. We got this one, which is egozim. Nuts is egozim. 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 And last one is the funniest one to me. Cornflakes. That's literally how people usually say cereal. We say cornflakes usually. There's also dignei boker. Dignei boker, which is the correct word, but usually Israelis would say cornflakes for cereal. So here we go. That was it. This was 50 foods in Hebrew. We did it all. I'm proud of you for sticking all the way to here. And you're invited to download your free guides. We have really cool stuff for the prayers for what to eat. The prayers for before you eat. The prayers you say before eating. And there's like a Hebrew 50 must-know words and sentences for you to get better and start getting confident in Hebrew. And if you're really serious, of course, you're always welcome to join our course. We got everything you need to get started and get Hebrew to become simple for you and fun and easier. So, toda rabba chaverim, toda rabba. Thank you guys so much and very much for listening. Be'ezrat Hashem, God willing, I'll see you in the next video. Yalla bye.